Hello everyone, my name is Sergio. I'm working with a 1998 Chevy Camaro C28. I had the issue with my with the ignition. The car, the lights on the dashboard turn on, all of them, but the car don't start. So what I find out is, you see the switch here, I remove the switch and have a broken cable. I went to the dealer and they gave me another one, and it's this one what it looks like, with a new key. The way this one goes, oh, by the way, let me tell you, underneath, you see underneath over here is a plastic cover that what he does, this one, is when you put it underneath like this, over here, lock all these cables tight. So if you want to have a little bit, the cables a little bit loose, like this, you say like this, you basically have to remove this plastic. I'm doing this video because I want to help many people. I was researching many times and I didn't find any video about this one. But I'm holding with one hand and the other I'm kind of filming, so understand it, the thing don't come out really good. You see, this is inside, and the way that you put in the cable is in this way, like this. You see, coming on the side, and then this one is, I'll come like this. You see, come in there, like this, and you pull it. Just be careful. Don't break it, like, don't make it little by little. And this one, you see this over here, this notch, you can see better here, this notch right here, this notch is what is going to be a screw over here, where you can see better, a screw here, and that one is going to hold the thing in place. Okay, let me keep pulling the thing. So this one should be go like this, like this. Let me remove the key. Okay, this out. Try to put it back again. Okay, you see how it's light? You see, look inside how it's light. Okay, now just be careful. And right there, you see, and right there. Now the screw is this one. You see, let me see where I can see. Okay, you see the screw have this part where don't have threads. That one is going to go all the way through, and the threads over here, you see the threads, let me see, you can see better. Okay, you see the threads there, that one going to hold in place. So what I do, I put this one there, right there. Now I have this set, I bought for really cheap, this set, and I don't remember it was Harbor Freight, somewhere like that, but I bought this one, have a different torque bits, and that one what I use. Basically I use for this one, if I must not remember, is the torque, the T15. You can see there, T15. And then I'm gonna change my bit from here. And I screw little by little by hand, and then I tie. I don't think so this one has to go really tight, but You gotta be careful with that. Oh, by the way, let me show you something else because many people don't know about this one probably. Let me lower the column. Just in case, I wanna let you know. You see that one? You see, this is the column, the front. You go down on the top, That one over there. That one over there. This one. This one is the ignition switch, so you know where is the location. And you have a blue and black connector. The black connector, when you put in the black connector, that help you to lock this one. So in order to remove these two connectors, you remove the black one first, and then you remove the blue one. And when you wanna put it back, the blue one is first and the black is the last. Also, I wanna show you something too. This one is what they call the anti-theft relay. Can you see it? Okay. This one goes actually in this part over here on the top. Because many people try to find out that relay, and they looking on this area on the right side, and they can find that one. I just found researching that was there, and also I called the dealer. I'm so grateful. I have one guy, this dealer here in Crestview. He knows a lot of, and he helped me a lot of stuff. So I will post another pictures or another video to show you the end of this project. But I hope this video help a lot of people, like another videos help me too. By the way, if you wanna check about blogs about Chevy Camaros, check it out on LS1 Tech. It's, if I spell it, will be LS1TECH.com. Those guys knows a lot of stuff, and one of them mentioned actually about this cable broken, about this cable on the switch broken. So just let you know, so you can go there. Okay, my friends, I hope this video helped you. God bless you. Be safe.